Today is December 28th, 2019. Today we are having an overview of Preda Machine factory and the showrooms. This is a general view of Preda Machine factory. Now we are heading towards the showroom. At the first side, we see the overview of the showroom of Preda Machine. The first machine that comes into our eyes is the auto duct line 2. Two auto duct line 2s are installed currently, ready for sale. And this is a punching machine, 25 ton or TDF corner making. Equipped with the TDF corner mold, it can make TDF corners. Now we are having the views of the Pittsburgh block formers. And now we are seeing the hydraulic press brake, angle iron bending machine, hydraulic angle iron bending machine, and etc. Here is our flexible duct spiral tube former and the folders, the TDF folders, normal folders, and pneumatic folders. This is pneumatic folders. And now we are launching our very first, electric TDF folders. Now we are seeing the hydraulic ovalizer, or called flat oval duct machine, with the molds and trays. And the TDF machines. This is the T16, and we have the T16, T12, and etc. And Duplex TDF machines as well, all in stock. Now we are seeing the decollers, 2 spindle decollers for auto duct line 2 and auto duct line 3. Now we are seeing the auto duct line 3s, several sets in stock, ready for sale. Welcome to order immediately. And now we are seeing the angle iron flange forming line. It can form in angle iron flange automatically for rectangular duct flange connection. Now we're seeing a semi-finished auto duct line 5 U shape. This is our core auto duct line, and currently is the most advanced auto duct line of Preda Machine, and also very advanced among the world market. Now we're seeing the electric 3-roller rolling machines and the flexible head spiral tube former, which have been ready for dispatch. And this is a closer view of electric 3-roller rolling machines. And there are 2 semi-finished angle iron flange forming line, ready for assemble. They can be ready in 1AO2. Now is the electric shearer machines. Generally, the cutting length range from 4 feet to 8 feet as per customers' requirements, and our currently stocked are 4 feet, which is 1,300 millimeter length. We come back to the auto duct line 5 U shape. We go a closer look at. It is not yet ready, as the Duplex TDF station is not yet ready. Now we are seeing the last station of auto duct line 5 U shape. It's the folding table, the folding transfer table, and the folding station, which is the last station. This is the very beginning part of the auto duct line 5 U shape. This is the leveling part, beading part, and the notching part. The notching part is a TDF notch, Pittsburgh notch, and angle iron notch, optional. Now is the shearing part, and the PLC and HMI. It can be as per customer customize, like Mitsubishi or Siemens. The electric box, let's take a closer look at the electric box. Okay, we're moving forward. This transportation table. Now is the faster Pittsburgh lock station. When the plate pass by, the Pittsburgh station works and make the Pittsburgh automatically very fast. Transforming table. A general view of auto ductline 5 U shape. Generally, we can make an auto ductline 5 U shape in about 14 days, which is 2 weeks. So if you like to order, well, if we have stock, you can ship right away. If not, 14 days. And the gorelockers. Now we are going to the factory plant stations, where our workers work on the components and the assemblies and everything. We make all the rollers, gears and everything by ourselves, all the components. If anything wrong with your machine, you want one gear, you want one X-Styles, just let us know. We send by courier like DHL, UPS or FedEx without delay. This is the biggest advantage as a real manufacturer. Preda Machine emphasize a lot on after services to global customers. An overview of our plant, the materials we use, and our workers are working hard. Thank you very much for the watching.